Hello everyone, in this particular lecture we are going to learn about that how to create a simple accordion component. Now what is it? Let me show you. You can see I'm having some section and the content here, right? So I want the functionality in such a way that when I click on this section 1, the content will appear and others content will disappear, right? And when I click on section 2, its content will appear and others content will disappear, something like this. So let's understand that how we can create it. So yeah, this is our basic HTML part. As you can see, I'm just explaining it to you that this is the main div, right? Whose class is accordion. Inside of it we are having three similar type of elements, right? Like this and this, like, right? And in every element you can see I'm having a class of accordion item, inside of which I'm having two different element, which is section 1 and this is the content of section 1, similar to this all section 2 and section 3, like this, right? Now you just need to focus on the classes that in the main div the class is accordion, and inside of it every element and its main div is having accordion item, and all the two items or the element which are present in every item, that is one's class is accordion header for the section 1 and others classes accordion content, like this. I hope you understood the things of HTML till now. You can create it at your own also, right? Fine. Now coming forward to the CSS part, this is a basic CSS. As you can see, right, the accordion is given some width and margin and bottom and border radius. Also the accordion item, right, it is also given some border from the bottom, right? Yeah. Now accordion header is what you can see. The accordion header is basically your section 1, right? So accordion header is given some background color, padding, cursor and font weight, and accordion content is given the padding and the background color, right? That's why it is looking cool. Now one more thing that you need to understand, that since everything is visible here, I want that all the content to disappear, right? So in that particular case you can see all the content are now disappear, right? Fine. Now, if you see here, I'm having dot active class here, but dot active is not present here. Well, I'm going to use this class to make any class or these content as display block. So let's understand that how we can create it in the JavaScript. So let's start the JavaScript part, right? So first we will take all the accordion header content, right? So I'll say const headers equals to document dot query selector all, right? And bracket inside this we will have dot accordion basically accordion header, right? So like this, because when we click on this particular accordion header the content will appear. That's why we are taking all the accordion headers, right? So now what we will do, we will put the for each on every headers that we have selected, right? So I'll write headers dot for each bracket. Inside of this we will write header. Why header? Well, this header is taking out every one header at once, right? It is iterating over the header content, right? So first it is taking this, and then in the second loop it will take this, and then this, sorry, this, right? This, got it. Now here we will put the arrow, and inside of this we will write header. Basically header is this header, right? Dot add event listener. We are putting an event listener of click, that when you click on any of the basically header, in that particular case a function will run, that is like this. Inside of this we'll first remove the active class from all the header, right? If it is having an active class, in active class the display will become block. That means that particular content will appear, right? So we will write uh, okay, let me first comment it for you all, that remove active class, right? So headers header dot for each right? Inside the for each we are again going to use for each, so don't get confused, right? And inside of this we are saying h dot class list dot remove what active, right? Yeah, like this. So we have removed basically the all the basically active class, right? Now we will toggle the clicked ones. So now what will happen, since from all the headers this active class is removed from the class list, right? And when every classes will get removed, we will add the active class to only that particular class which is clicked, right? So here we will write what, that is header dot class list dot toggle, that is active. Why toggle? Well, once when you click it will add the active, and again if you click on that particular section it will remove that particular uh, class, right? So yeah, this is how it is working, and this is a complete functionality as you can see here. Now let's see that how it is working. So you can see here I am having the simple div here, right? All the section 1, section 2, section 3. When I click on any of the section, you can see the content is now get appeared, right? Now when I click on any other section, you can see the content of the other section is appeared, but the previous section content is now disappeared, right? When I click on section 3, you can see. So like this we have successfully created our project, right? And this is all about today's video. I hope you understood the concept. The main thing was the for each loop that we put, that could create a little bit confusion in any case, but if you watch the video again, I hope that you will get the concept very easily. Try to practice it at your own also. And yeah, this is your simple accordion component. So thank you so much for watching. We will meet in the next video very soon. Till then, goodbye.